Woo.
Keep watch over us, because we'll always have your back.
Okay, so first I brush up my eyebrows with a eyebrow brush. Then I take those small hair scissors to clip off the long ends. Then I take my handy dandy eyebrow razor to clean up my arch and the bottom half of my brows. Then I use it to clean up the top part that the scissors couldn't get to. I then use rubbing alcohol and a cotton pad to sanitize.
Goodness.
I then spray rose water to soothe my skin. Be sure to use a brown eyebrow pencil. First, I line my brows, so I focus on the bottom half, making sure that I'm creating a nice arch that also lines well with my natural eye shape so that it fits my face well. Then I move to the top half of my brow. Next, I create hair-like strokes throughout my brow. You want to make sure that you're not filling in your brow as in coloring it, but you're creating those hair-like strokes so that way it creates a more natural and thorough appearance. I then take this pencil, it has more of a wax type finish, and I fill in some of the more sparse areas. Keep in mind that you're not supposed to be coloring, but just making hair-like strokes throughout your brows as well. Then I take my concealer and concealer brush and align the bottom half of my brows to pretty much clean up the brow to make it a little more crisp and help higher the arch if need be. Also, be sure to blend out your concealer, whether you choose to use a lighter color or the color of your skin tone. It's extremely important that you blend. Here I'm creating 2 or 3 slits in the front end of my brows to pretty much create a more natural looking brow. That end of your brow typically has hairs that are shorter and stand up a little straighter than the rest of your brow, so that's why I do that. Now, this step is optional. It just depends on the mood that I'm in, honestly. But if you want your eyebrows to be even more crisp, then you can just align that concealer and blend it out, of course. But the brows look natural and fine without you even doing that. Just make sure that you blend out that concealer. Always blend out the concealer. And finally, I get a spoolie and I just brush up those hairs throughout my brows just to kind of remove some of that product that I use, just in case I feel like my brows are a little too thick. And yeah, so look at them, all natural. I'm being nosy, but it's cool.